Hey there, it's me Falak, and I welcome you to this happy, stress free, bookish platform. So, here I am going to be reviewing this book, The Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka, and you all will love this book only if you are in the mood of reading something really fantasy fiction. So, if you want to know more about this book, then stay tuned. Okay, so without a further ado, let's deep dive into this book. But before diving, I want to tell you all that today I am going to be reviewing in a little different manner, in a reverse manner actually. Firstly, I would be reviewing the things and then I would be summarizing it, so that if you don't want the spoilers out of this book, you can leave this video at that time. So if we talk about the reviewing things now, firstly I would like to start with genre. So this book is a novella, specifically fantasy fiction, and let's talk about language. So this book is neither too hard or not too easy, so the language is somewhere in middle. So I think this is having a medium language, so anybody can read it very easily. And the third thing is basically theme. Franz Kafka has shown a surrealistic transformation in an individual and its impact on the relationship. Now this is a true thing about Franz Kafka, that his books are really good, and I like his book because it has some sort of reality. Yeah, he actually writes fantasy fictions, but there are some sort of reality in that. Means as you will read this book, or as I will summarize, you'll get to know the actual point that I'm talking about. Okay, so leave it for further. Now let's talk about recommendations. So I would be recommending this book to all, but only if you are in the mood of reading something like fantasy fiction, only then you pick up this book, or you will keep asking yourself all through the book that what the hell is going out, and you won't be able to relate as much. So please keep this in mind before picking up this book. And the fifth thing I will talk about is rating. So I would be rating this book, I would be giving this book 3 stars, because I have read much more better book than this, but it's kind of okay, so I'm giving it 3 stars. And then now let's quickly move on to summarizing part, and if you don't want the spoilers, please back off and don't watch this video anymore. So without a further ado, let's deep dive into this book. So the very first part, actually I would like to talk about something about this book. So the protagonist of this book, Gregor Samsa, who is a traveling salesman, and the whole book revolves around him only. And of course all about him, he struggles in this metamorphosed form, transformed form, and all that. So this book has 3 parts. The first part is all about, he is like, one fine day Gregor wakes up and finds himself transformed into a gigantic insect. He first ensures that is he dreaming, or is this a reality. So he finds it's a reality, and then he tries to he decides not to reveal his truth to anyone, but as he has to go to his office and he has to do many stuffs, he has to come out of his room, and everyone will discover his truth. So what happens is, after giving much of thinking, after thinking a lot of times, and after seeing himself and giving many thoughts, he finally decided that he is gonna go in front of all his family members no matter what. And he became actually here is a change in the expression. Suddenly from the sad and very worried form, he just comes to that eagerness. He gains an eagerness to know what his family has to say about all these things. So he gets out of the room and goes in front of his family, straight goes in front of his family, and his family was like, everyone was shocked. His mother fainted abruptly. His sister ran to the doctor to call him off, and his father started justifying the situation. He started saying that he do not enjoy his life, he do not go to parties, he do not enjoy the weekend, he's weekend. So that's why he's having this sort of problem. And when the doctor came, for sure the doctor or any other one is not having any justification for this condition that Grieger was going through. So here is the end of first part, and let's move on to the second part. I think the second part is much more interesting than the first part. Now the second part started with the Grieger's condition. Now he was having pain in all his body, and he was not able to sleep properly because of his different body shape, and he also is suffering from many kind of issues. And in this second part, author has really talked about all families, all members sort of emotions or behaviors towards Grieger. So it started with Grieger only, that Grieger was very sensitive and very responsible man, and in this pathetic or dramatic condition also he is very worried about his family, financial situations and all of that. And then after thinking a lot, he then decides to distract himself from that topic, because he don't want to deny the truth. And the truth is that he has been transformed into an giant ugly looking creature or insect, and he can't really do anything with that. And the secondly, this author talks about his sister's behavior. Now his sister name is Grete, and she is very kind-hearted and a generous girl. She is a little sister of Grieger, but she takes good care of Grieger, as she is concerned about Grieger's diet, about what time he would like to have his food, what kind of food he loves, what kind of food he avoids, all sort of thing. And she also ensures all sort of comfortability to Grieger, as she knocks the door before going into his room, and she also come quickly out of the room to provide all sort of comfort to Grieger. And the third person author is talking about is his mother. Now his mother is really eager to meet his son, but other family members don't want her to meet Grieger, because they know that she would faint again, and she would be worried more about it, and she could not really handle all that situation. And then but in some situation she manages to meet Grieger, and as soon as she saw Grieger, she was like, she shouted aloud and she fainted again, and she could not really bear all that thing, all his transformed body and transformed son actually. And then fourth person is his father, of course, Mr. Samsa. Now he is a very lethargic, lazy, irresponsible man, and all flooded with the debt. So basically Grieger was doing job just to overcome those debts. Okay, but let's move on to the point that he has given the justification at the very first sight, and the second time he encounters or he get to knows about that mother has actually fainted after having a meeting with Grieger. So he misunderstood all this situation, and he got red in anger, and he kind of collected all the fruits from his dining room, especially apples, and then he started vaguely throwing on Grieger, a kind of attack, apple after apple. And this was the thing, and here is the end. And finally with this attack, Grieger was seriously injured with this, and he could not even crawl anymore. Second part ends, and let's move on to the third part. So the third part, as thought, starts with Grieger's condition. He was very much weak. He is now much weak and also not in the condition to of crawling, moving or anything. And 1 month has already passed to that incident, but here the actual scene changes as all 3 other members have found out some jobs for themselves, as the sister was working as a sales girl in some traveling agency, and mother is working as mother is taking some orders of sewing garments, and the father is working as a clerk in some bank or something like that. So they all are busy with their lives, and now nobody is taking care or taking notice on Grieger. They are busy with their lives, and they have kept a woman, a cleaning woman, who used to clean Grieger's house, who used to give food to Grieger actually, and she is a kind lady. She actually enjoys the presence of Grieger. She plays with Grieger, and actually I think she is more generous than all other members of the family. And then what happens, they have also rented one of their room to 3 of the renters, 3 of the men who were living there, and they were not firstly said about the Grieger. Afterwards they discovered the truth about Grieger, and they tried to leave the room, and also they tried to leave the house, and also they denied to pay the rent for living there, as they thought they were betrayed and not said the truth. That was true, but this all situation made Greety very angry, and she was like, she told their parents that she wanted to get rid of this, means get rid of Grieger, because she could not handle this anymore. This was sort of getting very bad for this is very bad for their financial condition and their future. And this time Mr. Samsa was also in favor of this. He also wanted to get rid of this his son Grieger in his transformed body. Now what happens, Grieger was there listening to all these things, and he tries to get into his room, and while getting into his room, as he was on the door, crossing the door, Greety kicked him hard inside the room and locked it from outside, and they started discussing about how to get rid of Grieger. And the next day when the cleaning woman came and opened the door then she discovered that Grieger is no more. He died. Called out to all the family members. They gathered there. They were, for few minutes, they were in a situation, they were emotional towards him, but within few moments they just got out of their houses for their jobs, and they started planning about their future. And this is how it ends. Like, they started planning their own future. They started planning of taking a new apartment of their own choice, and Greety started thinking about her marriage and her husband and her future. So this was the end of this book. It was kind of not fair, I think, but this is true that humans are like this. If you are useful enough, then they will respect you, they will care about you. But if you are not useful enough, then they will not care anything about that. So that is that. Now I want to tell the merits of this book. Now this book is really good because the expressions and the movements and all about the physical condition of Grieger has been explained so well in this book that we can really visualize it happening in front of us, or we can really feel that we are in the same condition. So now we are at the end of our video. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also please press the bell icon so that next time I upload a video, you will be notified for my next video, Till then, please stay happy, and bye bye. Stay happy, stay safe.